Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise. The topic is fractions. What is the topic name? Fractions. See the definition of a fraction. The fraction, the numbers of the form. The numbers of the form a by b, where a comma b are whole numbers. A comma b are whole numbers. B not equals to 0 is called a fraction. What is the definition of a fraction now? The numbers of the form a by b, where a and b are clearly whole numbers. B is not equals to 0 అంటే b ప్లస్ లో 0 ఉండదు. 0 is a whole number, but the condition is should not be denominator. Okay na? Is called a fraction. See, in the fraction a by b, a is called what nana? You know, a is what? A is called numerator. A is called numerator, and b is called what nana? We can write b is the denominator. Okay, so in the fraction a by b, a is the numerator and b is the denominator. So if you write a fraction, either of a fraction తీసుకోండి, means you take any two whole numbers తీసుకోండి, it should be in the form of a by b. I taken 5 by 7. Clearly in the place of b, అంటే denominator లో it is not equals to 0. So we can say that this is called what? 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. 5 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. So there are different types of fractions. See, what are they? Different types of fractions. Decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. What is decimal fraction? Decimal fraction means the fractions having the denominator is the fractions having denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay na? The fractions having denominator is 10, 100, 1000 means simply the power of 10. Okay na? Are called decimal fractions. Okay na? Are called what na? Decimal fractions. అంటే సింప్లీ denominator వచ్చేసి పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 ఉండాలి. సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ దిస్: 15 by 10, 27 by 100, 3 by 1000, okay na, etc. You just observe the fractions what I written on the board. 15 by 10, 27 by 100, 3 by 1000. Clearly you just observe the denominators. The denominators are power of 10. Okay na? So these are the examples of a decimal fraction according to the definition. Okay, now the second one. Second one is a vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction means what? The fractions having the denominator of a fraction. The denominator of a fractions not a power of 10, not a power of 10, okay na, are called vulgar fractions. అంటే వల్గర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కి డినామినేటర్స్ వచ్చేసి ఎక్సెప్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 కాకుండా, అంటే 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 అలా డినామినేటర్ కాకుండా వేరే నెంబర్స్ ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2/9, 8/17, 12/33. So you just observe the examples. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్లీ డినామినేటర్స్ వచ్చేసి నాట్ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10. ఎస్, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సో దట్స్ వై, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ వల్గర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఓకే, నౌ సీ వన్ మోర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. Proper fraction. What now? Proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Proper fraction ante enti? Simply the numerator of a fraction is smaller than the denominator of a fraction. The numerator of a fraction is smaller than the denominator. See here, the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator. Okay na? Ante simply numerator is a small number and denominator is a big number. Okay, see, then the fraction is called what? Proper fraction. 2/7 examples. 2/7, 13/17, 15/50. Okay na? You just observe the fractions nana. Ikkada 2 is a numerator, 13 is a numerator, 15 is a numerator. So clearly the numerator 2 is less than the denominator. Ante denominator 7 kante 2 anedi small number. In the meanwhile, you just observe the second one. 13 is a numerator, it is a small number, and denominator is a 17. And 13 is less than its denominator. 15 also less than its denominator. So these are the examples of a proper fraction. Okay. Now see the next one. See the next one. Improper fraction. Improper fractions. Just now we discussed proper fraction. Now improper fraction. Improper fraction means the denominator of a fraction. The denominator of a fraction is greater than the denominator of a fraction is equal to its numerator. Okay, the denominator of a fraction is equal to its numerator, or the numerator of a fraction is greater than its denominator. Okay na? What is the condition, Anna? The first one is the denominator of a fraction is equal to its numerator, or the numerator of a fraction is greater than its denominator, or called what, Anna? That is improper fraction. See now examples. For example, 17 by 17. 17 is a denominator. It is equal to its numerator, means 17. Numerator or denominator both are equal. We call it is also an improper fraction. Or we can write numerator is a big number and the denominator is a small number. 53 by 28. See here, numerator is big and the denominator is small. Numerator is big, denominator is small, and the numerator of a fraction is greater than its denominator or equal to its denominator. So then we call it is an improper fraction. Okay. Now see one more. Like fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions ante enti? See now, the denominator of the fraction, the fractions having the denominator, the fractions having the same denominator and different numerators. Different numerators are called like fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions, Nana? Simply the fractions having the same denominator and different numerators are called like fractions. See now its examples. 5 by 12, 17 by 12, 8 by 12, 19 by 12, etc. You observe the fractions, Nana. Ikkaduna ee fractions ni observe cheyandi. Clearly the numerators are different. Yes, the numerator 5, 17, 8, 9. Numerators are different, but denominators are same. Yes. So the fractions having the same denominators and different numerators are called like fractions. Okay na? Now mari unlike fractions ante enti? So unlike ante simply the fractions having unlike chudandi, the fractions having different denominators. The fractions having the different denominators are called what, Nana? Unlike fractions. Just now we discussed like fractions now. Unlike fractions. So examples: 2 by 7, 5 by 18, 19 by 27. Clearly denominators are not same అంటే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఆర్ అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఓకేనా? సో యూ టు revise the particular definitions which are useful in further classes. Thank you.